Hey everybody, it's Becky. Welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's video because I didn't get a chance to do it for December, but today I'm going to be doing my Mickey monthly subscription box unboxing for the month of January. This month I received the Mickey size box female customization all ages. If you want to see any of my previous Mickey monthly subscription box unboxings, I will have my Disney playlist linked for you in the description box. It's got every single Disney video that I've ever made about planning a Disney vacation, what to pack, and what we bring for the girls for the car to keep them entertained. And it's also got every single one of my Mickey monthly unboxings that I've done before. If you're interested in any of those videos, I will have that playlist linked for you in the description box below. If you don't know what Mickey Monthly is, it is basically a subscription box for Disney. So every single month delivered to your door, you get this beautiful blue box of happiness, and you don't know what you get in the box, but you can definitely customize the size of the box you get, your gender preference. Do you even have a gender preference? Do you have an age preference or not? And then based on those different customizations that you choose, they will send you mystery items every single month delivered to your door. So it's really fun, and it's great for somebody who needs a little bit of Disney magic in their lives every single month, like me. So I will have the Mickey Monthly website linked for you guys in the description box, as well as a coupon code that you can use on any box that you choose for your first month. You'll get a discount on that first box with the code in the description box below. So let's open up this baby and see what I got. Like I said, it is the Mickey size box, female customization, all ages. They always have the cute little crinkle confetti, and this month there are little red, if I can get it out, little red Mickey confettis. I do save these every single month. I see the first thing, and this is another one of those things that I've never had from Disney, and I know a lot of people think I'm crazy because I know Disney is known for their popcorn. I've never had popcorn from Disney. This is the Main Street Popcorn Company caramel flavored. I know that my husband is really gonna like this. He loves popcorn and he loves caramel flavored popcorn, so I have a feeling this is gonna go to work with him. But that was my first thing. Another little treat that I see, and we've gotten these before, are the Goofy Candy Company character gummies. They are family size, and they've got little, they're little Mickey shapes. I don't think you can see, but they're Mickey heads instead of gummy bears. So I remember when I was a kid, we used to always go to Cracker Barrel on Sundays after church, and we would get like the little brown paper bag of like the gummy bears, and that was like the best treat ever. So I still really have a thing for gummy bears. Just the red ones and the orange ones though. So that's exciting. Also, what is this? Oh, cute! It's a Minnie Mouse hand sanitizer. How cute is that? And of course you can hang it from your keys or a backpack. That is really cute. I didn't even know they had those. I wonder if you can get, I guess you can probably buy refills, maybe at Disney World, I'm not sure. But everything did come from the Disney parks. That's one really great thing about the Mickey Monthly subscription box. You're not just getting stuff from anywhere. Every single thing they send to you every month comes from the Disney parks. So that just makes it that much more fun and that much more special. Okay. There's something big and it's wrapped, and I don't know what it is, but this brown little wrapping means it's something breakable. I've gotten quite a few of these things before. Always wrapped really nicely. I've never had anything ever to be broken in any of my Mickey Monthly boxes. It's a mug, and I see a tail. I haven't even turned it around yet. It's Eeyore. I love Eeyore. How cute. That is so adorable. Look at his little tail on the back. I have a stuffed animal Eeyore from like back in the 90s that I still have. And his little tail comes off and on with Velcro, and so I love Eeyore. I like Tigger because he's so happy, and I like Eeyore because he's always just so depressed. How weird is that? But I really love him, and that is so cute. This is a nice big mug, too. Look how sturdy and like fat it is with a nice handle. How many ounces is it, I wonder? It doesn't say. But that is really cute, and I am all about using mugs for things other than drinking out of them, even if you want to do soup or if you want to do even pens for your desk. I think mugs are a great thing to use besides just drinking from. So I love that. That's really cute. So that is everything that came in my Mickey Monthly subscription box for the month of January. And I think Mickey Monthly is such a fun thing to have in your life every single month, or to give to somebody as a gift. I mean, I am a Disney fanatic. You guys know this. I think about Disney every single day. And I love walking around my house and seeing little touches of Disney all throughout because it just makes me happy. And so I like that I'm getting these things from the Disney parks that even though I haven't gotten a chance to go back myself yet, it's close. It's getting close. Our trip is in May, so I can make it, I think. But in the meantime, it's nice to have these little touches and things from Disney to keep me going until our next trip. So if you guys are interested in Mickey Monthly, I will have a link to their website in the description box below for you guys. as well as that coupon code if you want to get a subscription box for yourself or to give to somebody else. You will get a discount off your first month's box, whichever box you choose. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.